Hi everyone, so today we're going to tackle the manoeuvre that not many people seem to like or can do properly, and that's the parallel park. First of all, we need to understand why we do parallel park. Obviously the parallel park enables us to reverse into a smaller space than we would be able to if we were driving forwards in. So for your driving test, you're allowed a 2-car gap. People after passing the test seem to struggle with this because they try to get it into a space smaller than that. So in this video, I'm going to show you the tips that I use with my learners to get the car into a space which is 2 cars length in 3 easy steps. So let's get into it. So for this video, I've changed the angle over to the driver's side so that you can see more of the left side of the car. And we're going to show you how to do this in 3 easy steps. It's really simple. Remember, on your driving test you've got a 2-car gap to do it in. This will work in a smaller space as well, but for your test, 2-car gap. So we're just going to move off when it's safe. And remember, we want to be about a door length away from the car. You can use your indicator if you wish. So we're now about a door length away. Put it into reverse so now the cars behind know what we're doing. So check round, make sure it's nice and clear, and we're going to reverse half a car. So we're going to put that pillar on our left here in line with the end of that vehicle there. At this point then, this is where we steer. And now this system works on this car which I'm in now, which is an MPV, and it'll also work on a Vauxhall Corsa or Fiesta or similar sized. What we want to do is one rotation on the wheel while it's stationary. It is fine to dry steer, modern cars have power steering, it's allowed. Check round, and then we want to reverse to a 45-degree angle. That's going to put your door mirror to the corner of the vehicle that you're doing it on. Then we're going to steer one right, back to straight, check around. Now this is where you need to get your own reference point. But we need to be round about there, so we're about 2 feet from the curb at the back wheel. At this point now you need to full lock it right all the way, checking around again, and as we come around, you hear the sensors picking up the curb line, very sensitive in this car, and then we just straighten our wheels up and we finish parallel to the curb.